Yeah, perfect, 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 perfect! Go, go! No!
Start with a standard A4 sheet of paper. Fold a 20 or 30 centimeter length to create a guide for cutting. Then cut along the fold. You should have a piece that's about 20 to 30 centimeters in length. Next is to create a shape of the paper by cutting small rectangles on both the left side and right side of one end. These cuts will serve as locks to secure the two sides together when folded. The result should look like this. On the opposite end, cut a cross-shaped hole. This will allow you to insert the ends of the paper to form the propeller shape. The final result should have a cross-shaped cut on the left side and a T-shape on the other side. Assemble the propeller. Insert the two ends into the cross hole to connect them and form an oval shape. This is what your paper propeller will look like if you follow the simple steps. It's a quick and easy paper craft, and now it's ready to launch. Let's go!
1, go!